What's going on, Virgo? It's me, Jen, catching you on DTWJLife. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Leo season. If I look tired, it's probably because I am. These retrogrades have been doing quite a number on me. Apart from that, though, at the bottom of the deck, you have Mother of Earth up right here, showing you that you are truly ascending when it comes to how you connect with Cancer and the North Node energy. You're doing really awesome with that, by the way. Absolutely. Anything that you are giving to others is well reciprocated, well received also. You're making pretty good decisions. I'm going to start that again because I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Yeah, this doesn't normally happen, but I feel the need to change how I proceed. There we go. Yeah, it looks like I gotta shuffle again. That doesn't happen to me often. You got Storm upright as well. Changes are coming forth. You're looking at a great sense of independence, the possibility of travel, a great overwhelming sense of freedom. You have Uranus here connecting with Mercury. There may be a change in how you communicate that'll be working toward your benefit. Okay, I like that. Thank you. Okay. I'm just going to do like a few 3-card spreads. If I have to clarify, I will. If not, that's cool. First card coming up is working with harmony. That's definitely the theme of this card, as I've learned recently. You are working with harmony. Coming in sixfold, everything is going harmoniously at the home front, at work, with your money, how you balance your money, how you balance your checks. Everything is actually going really well on that front. Good job and congratulations. Woo, look at you. I'm so happy. I love it. Second card coming up, flare inverted. There is no judgment point. There is no chance at all of going to court over something. Don't worry about it. It could be resolved in a different way. So if there's something that maybe like hit a legal point in your life, you don't have to worry too much about pushing for litigation or mitigation on the issue. It could simply be resolved if you look at the details of policies, things of that nature. Once those are put forward and communicated about, the issue can handle itself. It's kind of like getting into a car accident, okay, while you're driving. That both of you switch, exchange insurance information, policy information, so that the situation in of itself is solved right there. Nobody's got to go to court. There doesn't have to be any drama. Everything is simplified because all the details are right there already for you. Third card coming up, full upright. Some of you are starting something new. So we have Neptune here, Neptune retrograde. And one of the proactive ways of using a Neptune retrograde is revisiting your creativity, revisiting your dreams, and attempting to manifest those into a reality somehow in some way that already fits how things are right now. You're basically working with what you have. You also have Uranus here offering like a limitless amount of possibilities, I meant to say, sorry. This says, I'm the unlearned and they can learn from me. Learn of what your possibilities are if you don't understand what they are yet, okay? I really see all of that going well. Pull one clarifier for that. Clarifier off the full upright, please. Okay. There's a semblance of rising above something. A situation that used to be quite dramatic. And Neptune retrograde is reminding you that people's psychological issues are their psychological issues, not yours. Continue to rise above. continue to work in harmony with your life, and things will manifest in a better direction. I like it. I love it. It's awesome sauce. Let's see what else is going on with you guys. You have Volcano upright at the bottom of this of the deck as of now, and this is a situation of the attention being on you. Some of you, number 8, might be embarking on entrepreneurial ventures that you normally would not even think of doing. So that's pretty interesting. Or you may be revisiting a venture that needs some of your attention. That is coming up. Okay. Interesting. I'm still going. Okay, wow. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward. Oh yeah, this is definitely straightforward. First card coming up is exactly what had been at the bottom of the deck. You're really revisiting something that didn't exactly hit the ground running, okay? Or even if it did hit the ground running, it kind of slowed down quite a bit, and it came to a standstill. So you have to revisit it. Give it a pair of wings again. Seriously. Because you have Saturn here. And that's chilling out with Mercury. Everything that you are working on, have an internal and external copy of, if it's entrepreneurial, okay? This way, the way that you communicate the thing that you are working on does not give away sensitive information. But you definitely are, some of you are being compelled to move forward in that direction, working on communicating with others about the project that you have, that you would like to relaunch. Don't worry, because the people that you are speaking with about this are trustworthy within your network. These are people that you already know, people who are resourceful that can help you. As long as you're willing to help them, they'll help you, because it is a business deal. Let's be realistic, guys. If you need help launching something, you have to come up with a compensation plan of some sort to compensate those who are helping you to relaunch that thing that you were looking to relaunch, okay? Absolutely. It's necessary. But teamwork makes the dream work. Trust me on that. Aha! I like it. I like it. I like it. This is great. Okay. This is actually going very smooth for you guys during Leo season. And this is how you're taking leadership of your own life, by the way. That's what Leo season is for. Okay. First card coming up in the spread. Seat upright. There is a chance of a successful launch here, or relaunching. Okay? As long as you work hard on it, it will happen. Also, check out the planet Uranus and the properties of that planet and how it could benefit what you're doing here specifically. In specifics. Well, only apply all of that actually helps the relaunch. You don't have to worry about it at all when you do finally relaunch. There's not going to be any fighting. There's not going to be any overt sense of competition that is present. Although it may not be overt, there could be covert competition. So do keep your eyes peeled and ears open and everything of that nature. But yeah, apart from that, nobody's going to be fighting you. You don't have the guts to. Third card coming up. It's going to be a hot topic. A lot of people are going to be talking about this in one way, shape, or another. Yeah, Meteor Upright is definitely the card of gossip, but this is the good kind of gossip that you need. That would actually help with the relaunching of your project. You want people to talk about this. You also have this symbol of the door here, which means door opening. Beautiful. It doesn't matter when you choose to relaunch. When you do, the door is open for it. All you got to do is walk through it. But make sure that you plan everything carefully. The devil's in the details, especially when it comes to the internal and external copy of what you share with your potential team. Also, make sure to know how you're going to be compensating your team when they help you with your launch or relaunch. It's going to be fantastic. And if you don't want to go over all that by yourself, figure out which platform that you want to be on that's most conducive to you and your work. The platform, I'm pretty sure, will figure out how to compensate everybody. So guys, I really enjoyed doing this reading for you. Instead of ordering a personal reading if you need one, which is usually $40 for half an hour, $70 for a full hour, I'm inviting all of you who are either practitioners and students of the craft already, or those who would like to become students of the craft, to join me on Patreon on the first tier, because it lends a very safe, private community for all, and I'm going to be teaching from that space, as well as adding a lot. Also, you get monthly guidance. Every single month you're sent a reading, whether or not you're asking questions. You get monthly guidance, and all of that together, $10 a month. There's also no contract. You're not forced to stay if you don't want to stay. Stay as long as you wish, because I'm here, my dear. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, and if you have not yet, hit the notification bell, because outside of the periodicals, which are general readings, I'm going to be putting up more content. So, yeah, because I do have a few people who are supporting me. Thank you, by the way. I'm able to create that content for all you guys, so thank you so much. And until the next video, take care of yourselves. Blessed be.